It is right here and I'm obsessed. So as you guys know, they don't sell these new print backpacks in store. You can only order it online. So a lot of times we'll look on YouTube to see other moms pretty much unbox it and show the features and pockets, which as a mom obviously is super important because you want to know what fits. So first off, you have this big one here. I don't believe it's insulated, but it's huge, has a mesh pocket. You have the sides, perfect for a water bottle, nothing too big though, definitely not like a Stanley cup. You have your pocket up here. This would be great for all of your mom things, wallet, keys, and whatnot. Inside, I like how it says, what do you need today? I need coffee, that's what I need. So it will come with this big pocket here in the back. What's cool about these bags is it does come with another little crossbody, and I'll open this one up because I believe there's a changing pad inside. But you do have tons of mesh pockets in here. As you can see, there's pockets on this side for bottles, pockets in the front, so it's perfect. And then you have this guy. This guy does have two pockets. You have the front and the main, and you do also have a changing pad. So I definitely still need this, and I like the idea of this. They kind of advertise it for the parent stuff to put your things in it, and that way if you want to leave a diaper bag in the car you can and just wear this. But I kind of like the idea of just putting all the diaper stuff in here, and then like change clothes, snacks, whatever in here, because I typically always have a belt bag on anyways. So I quickly wanted to unbox it and show you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm going to post another video and kind of do a what's in my bag, empty my Caraa diaper bag and fill it, like put the contents in here so you could really see, because that diaper bag is actually huge. And I love it because it has insulated pockets, which this one does not, but it's okay. We're gonna try it out. I cannot wait to show you. Oh, feature that I forgot is it does have these little things to attach to your stroller, and this one for your luggage if you're traveling.